Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing great. Once again, this is your English teacher Dinesh sir. And children, today we are going to learn about an English grammar. Alright, and the topic of today is chapter 1 Alphabetical Order. I repeat, chapter 1 Alphabetical Order. So, kids, you know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. They are set in a special order like A, B, C, D, E, F, and so on. It is called the alphabetical order. Alright? मतलब ये बच्चों कि ये जो ABCD हमारी है अल्फ़ाबेटिकल जो ऑर्डर्स हैं हमारे इंग्लिश की लैंग्वेज में वो कितने लेटर्स हैं 26 letters are there, right? And they are all set in a specific order like 1 2 3 4 and so on. Like 1 is always A, then second comes always B, and then third is C, and then D, E, F, G, H, I, and so on. So this order is set in a particular way. If the letters are written in this particular order, then we can say that the English alphabet orders are correct in a way. Alright, now let me show you the alphabetical orders here. So can you see this chart over here, bachcho? So you can see that A is always tens at first order, then second is B, then third one is C, then fourth one is D, then fifth one is E, F, G, H, and so on. The whole ABCD or alphabetical orders are set in particular order. So this is a perfect or correct order of alphabetical letters. You can say first is A and the last letter is 26. If someone asks you what is the 10th letter of ABCD alphabetical order, then you can say J. J is the 10th letter of ABCD or alphabetical letters, right? So if I ask you, if I gave you some letters, which are jumbled in order, and you have to correct them, you have to write them in a proper order, then how will you write them? So you have to memorize all these letters in your mind in a proper order, in this order, right? Then you can correct all the orders on your own, right? So let me give you one example here. So this is the in ordered or jumbled letters like E, D, A, and C. You have to write them in a proper order. So how will you write? Now I will read ABCD in my mind because I have learned ABCD in a correct order and I remember that. So I can see that E is not the first letter, then D is also not the first letter. A here is a first letter, so I can say yes, first is the A. I can say like this. Then if I can say, then what is the next? B. B is not here. Then C. Yeah, C is here. Then this is the second letter. Then D. D is here. This is the third letter, and this is the fourth. So what will be the correct order? The correct order will be A, then C, D, and E. Alright? So this is how you have to write, or you have to frame the letters in a correct order. Alright? Now let's have some examples. So here's the first example come exercise. Look at the pictures and write the first letter of their names. So can you see this picture? This is a picture of egg, right? This one is done for you. Now identify this picture and write the name of the picture along with the first letter. First letter you have to write, but I am writing here the full name of the picture, that is zebra, and first letter is highlighted here. Alright, and this is also first letter which is highlighted. Then the next picture is aeroplane. So I have aeroplane here. The first letter of airplane I have marked here, the A letter highlighted, and then the third letter, the third next picture is tree, and I have also marked the first letter. Now, what we have to do? We have to arrange these first letters in alphabetical order. So I have E, then I have Z, then I have A, and then I have T. So what will be the first letter here? E, Z, A. Yes, so A is the first letter that you know very well. So the first answer is A. Then what comes next one? B. We don't have B, we don't have C, we don't have D, we have E. Yes, we have E. So we can write E here. Then we can write E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. इस तरीके से आपको पूरी ABCD माइंड में रीड करनी है. If you spot any of the letters first, then you have to write them first. Like T comes first before Z, right? So the next letter will be T, and the last letter will be Z. Alright, let's move on to the next exercise now. Wow, yummy fruits are here. So here are some fresh fruits for you children. Write their names in alphabetical order. So we have banana, we have guava, we have apple, cherry, mango, and some other fruits. Alright, so what shall we write first? We'll begin from the A, right? So is there any fruit which has a name from A? Yes, here is the name. That is A for apple, right? Then from B, do we have any fruit from B? Yes, we have banana here. Then anything from C? We have cherry here from C letter, right? And then from D, we have anything from D? No, we have G directly, that is guava. And then we have mango also here. You can write all of the fruits name and then you can arrange them in alphabetical order this way. Alright? Now I hope you have understood how to correct orders of the alphabetical letters, right? Alright children, so now this is homework time. You need to solve the worksheet in your notebook. I will provide you one worksheet to the WhatsApp, and that you have to solve in your notebook. And also you need to solve the textbook exercises with the help of study material. Children, I will send you one study material PDF on the WhatsApp. You should ask your parents to download the worksheet and the study material from there. That you have to solve in your textbook. Alright children, so that's it for today. Thank you very much.